everyone, Heather Mahalik here with another Tip Tuesday. This week I want to introduce to you a new resource that we created at Cellebrite, hopefully to make your life a little bit easier. It's called the Cellebrite Notebook, and this concept came about from Whiffin. And what we were talking about one day is when you have a thought that runs through your head or someone tells you something that you could utilize in the future, often we jot it down in a notebook. So that's what we want this to be for you. You can get to it two ways. You can go to your community portal and you'll see the landing page right at the top, Cellebrite Notebook, and you can click and enter the notebook. You can also use the link that is included with this messaging. Once you're in the notebook, you will see that you're going to have multiple mini blogs that point you to different resources. So for example, this first one with wall committal, Ian Whiffin wrote it, and it just talks about what makes a difference in wall. So if you click on it, you will go in to that post that is just marking down the importance of it. Let me give you another example. I record a series called Fundamentals Matter. So if you go into this one, you will see where it tells you, and it has links for all the different fundamentals matter and what is actually there. These are constantly being updated and they are designed to make your life easier. Location artifacts, all of our cheat sheets, our apps in focus. You will see that you can find these all in the notebook. This is something that we plan to keep updating. This is being developed by myself, Paul Lawrence, Ian Whiffin, and JP Noat. We hope you enjoy it. Please share this resource as it's free. And if you have anything that you wish we would put in this, you know how to reach us.